Hi guys, this is Paul. Hope you're okay. This is my unboxing video for The Legend of Fong Sai Yuk collection starring Jet Li and Dragon Fist starring Jackie Chan from 88 Films. Both of these are deluxe limited editions. So this is the first time I've had both of these, so I'm really happy to have them. Dragon Fist, spine, and the back. Yeah, this is region free, so you will have no problems watching it on any Blu-ray player in the world. A brand new 4K restoration from the original camera negatives, presented in Dolby Vision high dynamic range, HDR10 compatible, 4K 2160p UHD presentation in original 2.35:1 aspect ratio, and high definition 1080p Blu-ray disc also included. Mandarin dual mono with English subtitles, Cantonese dual mono with English subtitles, alternate Cantonese dual mono with English subtitles, English dual mono, brand new feature length audio commentary with Frank Jeng, NY Asian Film Festival, and FJ DeSanto. Interview with David West, Japanese opening credits, Hong Kong trailer, Japanese TV spot, Japanese trailer, then and now gallery, a lobby card gallery, a double-sided artwork featuring new artwork by Kung Fu Bob O'Brien, and original Hong Kong poster. This is the case, spine, the reverse with the same information from the box, postcards as well. This is the 4K disc and the standard Blu-ray disc, and also reversible sleeve, which is nice to see. Okay, let's see. These are cards. The reverse on all of them. Yep. So there the art cards. There you go. Oops. A booklet. Which features information about the film. Here. Wow. Yeah, it's got 77 pages. Yeah, so this is going to be a brilliant read. And oops, a double-sided poster, which is probably going to be Yeah, both sides of the reversible sleeve. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. So that's Dragon Fist. Now for the Legend of Fong Sai Yuk with the J card. Yeah. Okay, it's a 4K UK limited edition in 1.85 to 1 aspect ratio, Cantonese mono. Both of these are in 1.85 to 1 Cantonese mono. Okay, features include deluxe edition rigid slipcase with brand new artwork from RP Kung Fu Bob O'Brien, 4K restorations of the original Hong Kong versions of the Legend of Fong Sai Yuk 1 and 2 presented in 4K UHD, 21p Blu-ray and Dolby Vision, HRT compatible, uncompressed original Cantonese mono soundtracks, newly translated English subtitles, audio commentary by Chris Porgiali and Frankie Balboa Part 1, audio commentary by Peter Glagowski and Frankie Balboa Part 2, theatrical trailers, Hit Hard and Fly High, an interview with director Corey Yuen Kwai, The Legend of Fong Sai Yuk, The Pen is Mightier Than the Sword, an interview with writer Jeff Lau, The Legend of Fong Sai Yuk, individual digipacks to hold each film with new artwork by RP Kung Fu Bob O'Brien, double-sided fold-up poster, 40-page booklet featuring new writing on the films by James Oliver, Paul Bramwell and David West. Okay, so that's the J chord. So there you go. And that's the reverse without the J chord. Okay, this is the first Legend of Fong Sai Yuk digipack. The spine, the reverse, and the blue 4K disc. Part 2. The disc. The 40-page booklet. Yeah. So this is going to be another brilliant read. Yeah. And the poster. Yeah. So I'm really happy I've got these in my collection because I never had them on standard Blu-ray or DVD. Yeah. Okay, so that was my unboxing of Dragon Fist and the Legend of Fong Sai Yuk collection limited editions from 88 Films. I will provide the links for both of them in the description box below. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll be doing more unboxing videos soon. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.